Welcome to Housekeeping Master. If you have ever felt like your kitchen cabinets are a chaotic disaster zone of mismatched lids and awkward handles, today is your lucky day. We are taking a deep dive into the Astercook 21-piece non-stick ceramic cookware set. This is not just another set of pots and pans. This is a modular, space-saving revolution for your home kitchen, your RV, or anywhere space is at a premium. Let us start with the standout feature, which is the detachable handle system. I have tested many removable handle sets over the years, and the mechanism on this Astercook set is impressive. It uses a secure locking design that gives you a very stable grip. You can transfer it from the burner to the oven without worrying about the pan wobbling. The freedom to remove that handle changes everything. It means these pans stack perfectly inside one another, which is a dream come true for anyone with small cupboards or limited drawer space. Moving on to performance, we are looking at a high-performance non-stick coating. This is critical for modern cooking. It is completely free from harmful chemicals like PFOA, which gives you peace of mind when preparing healthy meals for your family. The surface is slick, making cleanup genuinely effortless. You can usually just wipe them down, and you are good to go. Because the handles come off, you do not have to worry about the handle catching on the sink faucet or being in the way while you are scrubbing. The construction is high-quality aluminum. This material is excellent because it heats up quickly and evenly across the base. I tested this on a variety of hobs including induction, gas, and ceramic, and it performed beautifully across the board. You get consistent results without those annoying hot spots that ruin delicate sauces or sear your meat unevenly. Being oven safe is another huge plus here, as you can start a dish on the stovetop and finish it in the oven simply by clicking off the handle. Now, let us discuss the pros and cons. The biggest advantage is obviously the storage capability. Having 21 pieces that nest together takes up a fraction of the space that a traditional set would. The non-stick performance is top tier, and the versatility of being induction ready is a big selling point. The build quality feels rugged enough to handle daily use. On the downside, you do need to keep track of where you put the removable handle, though you do get used to the workflow quickly. Also, because of the ceramic nature of the coating, you should stick to silicone or wooden utensils to keep that surface pristine for years to come. In conclusion, the Astercook 21-piece set is a fantastic investment for anyone who wants to declutter their kitchen or upgrade their cooking game. It balances durability, convenience, and high-end performance in a way that very few competitors manage. If you are tired of searching for the right lid or struggling with awkward handles getting in the way, this set is exactly what you need. Link in the description.